How to fix you can't make this change at the moment. So if you're trying to enable Facebook's two-factor authentication, you might be facing this problem. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So the problem I'm talking about is if you just open your Facebook and go to your profile and then tap on the gear icon to open the settings. Now, in order to activate your two-factor authentication, you need to go to Account Center. And once you're inside your account center, you just tap on password and security and tap on two-factor authentication. Then choose Facebook and quickly enter your password. Once you enter your password, this prompt will pop up like this, saying that you can't make this change at the moment. This is because they've noticed that you're using a device that you don't usually use, and you'll be allowed to change this after you've just used this device for a while. So let's see how you can overcome this prompt or this error. So the first thing you want to do is just go to your Facebook and uninstall this. Once you do that, your app will be completely uninstalled from your device. And what you want to do is go to your Play Store and just search for Facebook here. Go on the search bar, search for Facebook. And once you search for it, you just reinstall the app. And once you have installed Facebook, you can just open and log into your account. Once you have reinstalled the app and logged into your account, you just want to go back and open a web browser. And here you want to search for facebook.com and log in with your profile on the browser. Once you do that, just head over to the dash line at the top right, and from here scroll down on this drop down for settings and privacy. Go to your settings, and from there go to Account Center. Now once you're on your Account Center, just tap on password and security, tap on two-factor, and here you choose your Facebook account. It will ask you for your password for the first time, but once you've entered your password, you can easily change your authentication or two-factor authentication from here. So if you want to turn it on, you can just tap here and send a text message or an authentication app. If you have a number, you can just enter a number and set up a two-factor authentication. But if you have authentication app, you can do that as well. So right now I have this turned on. I'm just going to turn it off. And as you can see, my two-factor authentication has been turned off. And that's how you can access the two-factor authentication without sending any message to Facebook help and support team. If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.